So where are the grip and monitor gloves for elderly patients with Kevin, myself, Kyle, and Lizbeth. So a little bit of background about our device is that we found that elderly patients lacked grip strength when doing household chores or um, therapy. So because of that, we came up with this glove, and it will help better their grip strength. The glove works by using 6 sensors, 5 on fingers and 1 on the palm, to get individual readings, and then that will be sent to a computer screen in which the data can be analyzed related to the grip strength the user or elderly patient is using.
So the application. So as we know, strength decreases as we get older. So our project is mainly designed for elderly patients that are currently facing grip problems. The gloves can also be utilized in like physical therapy, in which the patient will be wearing the glove and will try to grab something or apply force to the glove so that it can be read and it will be transmitted to a device. And the data transmitted will be analyzed and compared to the readings of a dynamometer and will help the doctors to determine the health of the patient.
The PCB design of the glove itself incorporates those 6 sensors, and the first one is circled by the number 1, but everything around the edge of the board is also the exact same amplifying circuit. So they use the piezo-resistive force sensors from FlexiForce, and those op-amp circuits would amplify what the sensor is outputting, which will be a change in voltage. And that way we'll be able to get a linear output sent to our microcontroller, which is number 2, and that's the CC2640 with Bluetooth capability. We needed that so we could communicate with our computers. And then we moved to our antenna, also needed to communicate with the computer, and that was with the provided Bluetooth chip. We were able to set that up with some inductors, and then the very last thing, number 4, would be the battery charger and the power source itself. And we used a 3.5 volt lithium ion battery with a TI battery manager, and it all is powered or recharged with the micro USB charger.
So currently our board is completely soldered, and we're able to connect to it with Flash Programmer, Code Composer, and also the power is properly dispersed throughout the circuit. And we're able to read the data, and we've been able to measure the accuracy of the sensors as well using a multimeter. And so the goal of this project is to make the glove read the data from the 4 sensors and then transmit those signals over Bluetooth into a computer. And in order for us to successfully complete the project, we need to implement code that converts the analog data into digital values, as well as be able to send those values into the antenna.